Hey everybody, I just created two new hit songs in Arduino and I want to show them to you. So here they are. One's called My Song 1, the other's called My Song 2, and I know they're going to be hits. In fact, I'll play My Song 1 for you right now. It goes like this. So you can see the tone just starts at 832 and goes down by 100. And as you can tell, that's going to be a hit, right? Okay, so I don't want to overexpose it, so I'll hold on to it right now. The other song, My Song 2, just goes the opposite. Starts at 432 and goes up to 832. So you can figure out how that goes. Well, I know they're going to be hits, so I want to include them in a lot of my other programs. So here's what I do. In order to turn these from programs into functions, I simply go to the thing and I delete out void setup and everything that's associated with it. And then I'm going to say, I'm going to replace the word loop with My Song 1F. Okay, just to let it know, I put F at the end to let it know this is no longer going to be a executable code. It has to be called by somebody else. So I'm now just going to say file save as, and since I've already done this, My Song 1F, and it will just say sure, okay, fine. And same thing with the other one, My Song 2. Both of these are going to be great hits. Get rid of setup. That makes it no longer executable. Change the name to My Song 2F and do file save as My Song 2F, which again I've already done here. Okay, so now that I've got these saved as functions, what I'm going to do is going to bring up one of my old codes, PhotoCell. You know PhotoCell. Everybody loves PhotoCell. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is that now I'm going to okay, well, let's back up. First thing, I want to add PhotoCell. I want to add My Song 1F and My Song 2F to this program. So I do sketch, add file, find My Song 1F, and add that in. You'll see it come in as a new tab. Then I'm going to also add file and find My Song 2F. It's got too many things in there. Okay, and now they're both in, and you can see that these are both just simply calls. Okay, now what I've got to do is in front of void setup, I've got to tell the compiler that I have them. So I'm going to say, and I have to type it just as you see it, and I'm letting it know I have two functions that I want you to bring in. My Song 2F, and since they're right there in tabs, it'll show up, no problem. Okay, and now that I've done that, I'm going to say, okay, if I'm reading my PhotoCell and I've got an if statement. If A is greater than 300, all I got to do is say My Song 1F parentheses. That's it. Else My Song 2F parentheses, and that's all we got to do. So let us now send this up and verify that everything's going to go fine. So if I have I can't remember whether, if I have A greater than 300, then my song 1 will play. Otherwise, my song 2 will play. So we'll just let these guys upload and come right back. Okay, so I'm going to come over here to my serial. Whoops. And okay, so got that. Now I'm going to put my finger over. There you go. There's both of my songs playing. You're going to hear it all over the world. It's great. Okay, so again, I don't want to overexpose the music, so I'll unplug it. So anyway, that's how you simply take any program that you've written and you like it so much that you want it to be a function for other programs. So again, to recap, write your program, get rid of setup, and then replace loop with the name of the function. I like to put F behind it so that I know that when I go search for it, it's a function and not the original code. That's pretty much it. Okay, you only should be everything. That's all you need to know. Okay, so this will work. Like any old. Again, this was an if statement. You could have done a switch case, could have done anything, and you could have also, like I said, any other program. So that's how you do it. So you can go ahead and create your own music, and we'll be done. All right, we'll see you.